Hey guys, so today we're going to be removing the battery out of a remote transmitter. This is going to be for a 2015 to 2020 Acura TLX. This could also be used for any other Acuras as well. Something you will need is going to be a quarter. This is going to be used to pry open the cover. Some other optional things you'll be needing would be a wedge of some sort to pry out the battery, a fabric so as not to scratch the surface, and a piece of tape to hold the buttons in place. So what we're going to do is take off that piece of tape. I'm going to tape the buttons in place like so. And when you look, what we're going to do is pull this latch. It's going to be below the whole button. This will release the key. We'll put it aside. And if you notice, we're going to be turning the key onto the Acura logo facing us. And in between, what we're going to be working on is going to be a notch. You're going to see this little notch here. This is where your quarter's going to sit in, so you can pry open the cover. But I'm going to use the fabric because I don't want to scratch it. And we're going to be prying open the cover using a counterclockwise motion. I'm going to use like so. I'm going to put that down, put this aside. And so, okay. So now you've got the CR2032 battery with the plus side facing you. I'm going to take the wooden wedge, pry it here. You want to hold the button down because it will come off. So you want to be careful because there's some delicate pieces beneath that will bend. So now that we have the cover open and we have our new battery with your plus side facing you, you're going to want to place it gently because there's some delicate pieces like so. And it should clip in place. We're going to clip this back in place. And you'll hear the click. We'll put the key back in. And you should be ready. We can remove the tape. And you should be good to go.